Welcome to this video on understanding how callback functions work in Java. In Java, a callback starts with an interface. The interface in Java is a mechanism to achieve abstraction. Here, we define a callback interface with a method notifyUser. The receiver class implements the callback interface. It overrides notifyUser to print a message sent by the caller class. The caller class receives an object that implements the callback interface and invokes its notifyUser method to send a message. In the main class, we create objects of receiver and caller. Then pass the receiver to the caller, triggering the callback. This prints callback received. And that's how callback functions work in Java. Let's now use a callback in an interesting example called Download Manager. Imagine a download manager needs to notify the user when a file finishes downloading. This is the Java interface. The download manager uses the notifyUser callback method to send a success message to the user class when the download is complete. The user class prints the success message sent by the download file method of the download manager class. Main method gives this output. You can download the code from the description box. Thank you for watching the video.